Hello, my name is Jamal Moubarak, and this is my screencast for ASD1306 Week 2. First, I'm going to start off by giving you a demo of my app. Here's my app running on the iOS simulator. As you can see, it looks pretty similar than it did a couple months ago. I changed a lot of stuff. I rewrote this code from scratch. First off, we could start by seeing my home screen, and then I have a navigation menu right here that pops out. And one of the biggest reasons why I did this is because I wanted to do some admin settings in here. Along with I wanted to put the delete all clients button in here so it's not right with the form data, just because I don't want anyone really hitting that, and I eventually want to password protect that because I don't want someone to be able to clear out the database of this. Okay, so to start off here, we could go right in. We have the home page, which on the home page here, I pretty much did browse by job status. I could see pending jobs that I have, potential jobs, which are pretty much like sales calls or something like that, completed jobs, which are right here, and then we could view all clients right from this page. I could go right in. Here's my form. You can see that I got the drop down here. Go in and type some information. Here, we'll just kind of mash. Oh, that's not gonna work. Okay. All right. And then here I have to where this is where you put in the job status. If you click on completed, it drops down another menu here where you can input the date, and this asks if the payment was received. Then you could type in some more your network passwords, IPs, and any information that the next person that has something to do with this job should really know. Go ahead, submit it. Client information is saved. And go ahead and hit OK. So now what I could do is I could come over here to my menu, and I can view all clients right here. This is a problem that I had, and I don't know why it's doing it. A couple of my fields are coming out showing null. I've worked on this. I've tried everything. Cannot figure it out. All these fields right here, they're coming out perfectly fine. So if anyone has any ideas why this is coming out fine, it's just pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 fields right here are showing up null. So we could go through, we could delete the contact, and then go on to the next page, info. It's just info about my company. These are all live links going to my Facebook page, to my website, to my Twitter page, right to this working app right here, and then my code. And then we could go to do. What I want, this isn't all the way completed. What I eventually want to do, it's working though. What I eventually want to do is make this a news feed. Okay, to where we could send messages between each other, to-do messages and stuff like that. So pretty much what I could show you is I could show you here, view messages. It says none. Here's some sample data. I don't want to have to push this button. I want, when I create a task with the form, which is right here, I want it to automatically just post right here, and I want to get rid of these 2 buttons right here. So here, this is how it would look, and then pretty much this is just the delete button. I want it gone after the person sees it, so I just want them to hit this button, message disappears, so on and so forth. So they could actually message seen, are you sure you want, or you read this message, message will be deleted, okay, message has been removed, message is gone. Okay, so now here, one other thing that I showed you the form already, it's right in there. One other thing that I want it to do is if I go to view messages, and you come over to the message and you want to edit it. The edit works perfectly fine. It brings it back up. It brings it back up on the form, but I want to make, when I hit that edit message, it does another, I wrote the code for it, it's just not working. It toggles a click event on this button right here, so it'll open this up also, and you can see, and then you could go and just update the message. So pretty much, and then you could, like I said, you could come in here and go ahead and delete all contacts, and there we are. We're back to the home page. So this is pretty much the gist of my app. Most things are working. There's just a couple mistakes. All of this is my JSON in XML. The view all clients is just the basic that we have done before. Dependency, it shows here, here's some sample JSON data, so on and so forth. So, I mean, that's what that is. Okay. Next thing is problems that I couldn't resolve. Obviously, I just went over those with you. jQuery, I feel that made this code a lot easier to write. I need to go over the cheat sheet a little bit more and play around when I get some extra time. I mean, this week, obviously, I didn't get any extra time, but I mean, jQuery has just made it to where, I mean, I was having a lot of trouble with JavaScript. I kind of still do. jQuery has fixed that a lot. The hardest part is just the errors. I mean, I've literally worked on this app for 10 hours a day, 5 days straight. I mean, I am beat from this right now. I mean, I enjoy it and everything, but I had to take the week off work. I haven't worked this week. If I would have worked this week, this project would have never got done. I feel that I'm getting a lot better at coding. I'm spending a lot more time with it. The Git pages helped a lot. Instead of me having to upload it to iFiles like I've been doing all that stuff, Git pages helped a lot. Pretty much I use every skill from every single course. I mean, we built an app in 1 week. Or actually 2 weeks, but first week wasn't that bad. And we built an app in 2 weeks that pretty much took us 5 months in 5 different courses to build. So, I mean, we should all be proud of ourselves, even if we do have some errors still and stuff like that. And then I just wanted to go through and I wanted to show you this real quick. I brought up my Facebook page right here, went to upload video right here, and I broke down the code in the development window and figured out it's JSON-P data through Ajax. So, I mean, the Ajax controller, it is using JSON-P to upload pictures or anything like that. So, all right, well, good luck in the rest of the week and have a good night. Bye.